up, everybody? Rebbygabriels kama kawaida. Once again, I'm your lady. So guys, karibuni sana. In case you're new here, guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like guys, the road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Please, guys, just subscribe. Anywhere, guys, anywhere, anytime. Make sure you subscribe and share, guys. Make sure to make 1,000, guys. Nawapenda sana. I love you so much, guys. We're here back again with another challenge, guys. We hope hii ya round 3 unajua itakuwa more fire kushinda the last one. So like every day we come up with new and good things, and because we love you guys. So make sure always, if you see us here, just subscribe. So guys, sijui hata leo kama sijui niwaintroduce ama niwaache. So guys, allow me to introduce to you my beautiful people wenye wanakuanga na mimi always, unajua. And let's go, guys. Wanapenda food. Beautiful family. Unajua tu watu kwanza kwenye kuna anapenda tu so unajua guys, ni mnajua naongelea nani. So guys, allow me to introduce my beautiful family. Kama kawaida.
Hey guys, I'm here again. We have many for you. But please your notification bell. You're gonna we have more for you. This is not the last time you will see. So hopes this challenge you will enjoy it somehow.
Yeah.
So I'm happy today.
Yo.
It's you again. Yeah, guys, welcome to Rebbygabriels YouTube channel. Kama kawaida. Hit that subscribe button. We love you guys, and welcome to our challenge today. We love you.
We love you guys. So guys, today we have something different here. Come on, like guys, come take a look. Unajua hii ni tabia nani? So unajua tu obvious. There's only one person here who normally behaves like weird. Atumwelewangi. So guys, today the aim here is to you pick an egg. So we've mixed, tumechanganya mayai zimechemshwa na zingine hazijachemshwa. So guys, whichever you gonna pick, that ndo unachukua. Unajua kitu umepick tu ndio unachukua. Hakuna kurudisha. So kitu umechukua ndio unakula, whether it's raw ama whether it's boiled ama the protein meat. So guys, Gidi atakunywa mayai unajua karibu ngapi? Unajua anajonga. So come guys, we're gonna blindfold. Wakati mtu anachuza
guys, remember ukipata mayai yenye imechemshwa iko sawa, tuna pick nyingine. So blindfold nyingine. So hakuna kuacha, ni kukula tu. Ukipata mbichi you surrender.
Guys, unajua Gidi huwa hashindwi. So guys, it's about it, guys. So we're gonna go straight to the challenge without any further ado. Okay, so guys, hapa hizi ni vitambaa. Unajua hizi ni vitambaa. Tutatumia blindfold. Unadhani unapick kama unaangalia. Tunataka guys, lakini kitu wanasumbua. Shika kitu anataka ni hivyo. So guys, mnaelewa tu. And guys, this obviously kuna pesa. Unajua hawezi participate kwa any challenge bila pesa. Unajua so the winner will walk away with 1,000. This one is 1,000 shillings. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second one mwenye atakuwa amechagua mayai zimeiva bila. Okay guys, let's make it like this. The winner atakuwa ni mwenye amekula mayai zimeiva hivyo, unajua. So guys, this is 500 for the second one, and then this is 250 for the last person mwenye najua kama kawaida ni Gidi. Okay, so guys, let's go. So let's do ngoja tu kuona mwenye kijana atakula mayai zaidi. Okay guys, so now that's it. Remember blindfold? Uko sure? Get it. I have to make sure. Hey, Gidi, you think I don't know you, right? Don't cheat, okay? So guys, let's go.
You pick it.
No, wait. Gidi anapenda kukula. Okay, so guys, if you choose one, you nini.
You wait for us.
Yeah, you just the specific one that you picked doesn't not changing, okay? So guys, let's go. In 1, 2, 3, and let's go. Jesus.
Pick.
Pick one.
Pick one. Okay, tufungue.
Bado mimi sijapika.
Sawa.
Mimi you pick one. I
Pick.
Tufungue.
Yeah.
Jesus, I'm just searching.
Uko na mix. Kila mtu anataka.
You think what happened in your neighbor? Guys, I told you this is always cheating. Imagine me, I'm not guys, wait, this is not fair. Surely, guys.
Good. Right. Hey. Good.
Surely. Actually, guys, I'm not just shares.
We have good.
I can just get some.
Nani?
Ili apana wewe kabisa hapa wewe.
Aju. Kunywa.
Dilisi nikunyia nikulipe.
Atakulipa. Girlfriend Tafika. So guys, never done any beach later. And I'm not scared. I'm not scared, ladies, so let's go. Here you go. Kama ni siwezi kunywa. Mimi ni mama yao.
Mama yao.
Mama yao.
Fine. No. Hey. Hey.
Usitapike. Meza.
Hey.
Okay, challenge bana ni no.
Do again.
Tupe hii bana kwa nini?
I don't need.
They just hit that.
Ew.
Okay, for me, guys,
Okay, kwani mtu akipata imeiba eja anaona. Haya, mfunga nini?
wait.
I'm ready for
Wait!
You are ready?
Guys, wait,
You ready?
wait, let me interchange. Me, I swear, I didn't shit. Kwanza nitakuwa aniangalia mayai anataka kuchange.
boy. Mungu wangu nisikuye tena bichi.
Okay, so guys, let's go. That's it. Yeah, kina sija kutapika guys. I feel like vomiting. Wait. I need you to clear.
Are you ready?
Okay, so guys, let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Guys! Yeah.
Didi na bado kuna haraka.
I swear.
Boy, akili sasa hivi ni kwa moto.
Hata niko na moto.
Kunywa Didi. Didi kunywa.
Guys, alitaka kumpata. At least allow me. I swear. Guys, at least allow me to drink this.
Wacha kuniambia mbele yangu hivyo kana.
Lakini wewe uko na tabia mbaya sana. Umesikiaje hiyo mayai? Bede za kibeli na tabika si I swear. I'm not used to it. So especially guys, sijui kama zitachanganyika na zile ile kwa tumbo, let's say.
Hili liko hapa naitwa kienyeji style.
Guys.
Guys.
Long last. hata mimi nawafunga.
Guys, saizi bado ni draw. Draw. Hapana bidii tufunge. Guys, saizi ni draw. So, we want to see kama mjatokota next my kuna nini? Sasa tuko draw juu mimi nimekunywa nikakula nimeiva. Gidi unanikaza sana. Milia kakula na kakunywa nimeiva. So Gidi don't touch the egg. Please guys, they should not cheat.
No.
So guys, let's go.
Wait.
Gidi, are you ready?
No. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. I swear.
Mmaliza? Kila mtu aonyesha ni yake.
Yangu ni moto.
Yangu? Baridi?
Moto.
Guys,
Are you sure?
Yangu ni moto. Yangu ni moto.
Gidi, bana.
Actually guys, you're still looking for the winner. Say but let's go draw. But okay guys, tunataka winner akipao. Ati camera behind the scene. There's the max. So guys, the last round, okay? So this one is first round.
Come through.
Funga mai, unajui mai unyonga mtu.
Nilipa.
Okay, so So guys, on to the last round, okay?
Not that.
Come on, kuna winner. I have to get my money. Okay? I have to get my money, guys.
Everybody ready?
Wait. Aki, you don't touch anything. Make sure guys. Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, that's it. Giddy. Guys, that's it.
Baridi.
Guys, I'm the winner. No, I'm the winner, guys. This is it. This one is me. What about me, Chagwenye? That's it. So nini? Ngoja kwanza allow me. Guys, hebu mkunye. Kila mtu akule mtu amepata.
Guys,
Hapana, by the way guys, you have to kunya the what? You have to pull out the egg. Hebu kunya the egg.
yolk and the water.
Sema the kunya the yolk. Is it kunya? No, this is no.
Yeah.
Is this that one was the last one for little wrap?
Oh, I can see.
You can see what? Kunywa mayai yako. Kunywa mayai yako. Wow. Zuri nimekula mbili. Na mbili haijaiva.
Guys, God knows I hate, my reach. God knows. God knows, and that's why some of the last one bado hivyo. Kunywa mama.
Gidi?
Kunywa mama. No, you guys are kunywa. Did you see the book kata kunywa hiyo mayai? Ebu kunywa. Guys, like kama inakaa. Wewe mtu asikufe. Sikuchagulia mtu. Mtu alichagulia mwenyewe. So guys, let's see.
So who is the last one?
Sure. Like mine, but you like nothing.
Who is the last one?
Guys, I walk away with
No,
my
we
money.
can't share.
That's it, guys.
Okay.
Money,
We can't share.
money.
No,
Shut up.
there's no the winner.
Shut up. You, both of you have tied. So I'm gonna share. So now, guys, they don't want to give out the money, but they want more money. So nataka tu zitoke.
Vitaka zikuje.
Guys, wachana mambo.
Select hiyo ngani spend.
Hapana, pesa zangu zinarudi kwenyewe. So guys, we call it a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoy sana. I hope you enjoy it. Like no giddy, please giddy, stay back. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed yourself. That you are kama kawaida with my beautiful team, guys. My fam. So guys, we love you so much.
Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button.
And then
We love you guys. Until next time. Bye bye.
Share if you like.
Yeah.
So guys, I hope now call it a wrap so that's it. So I hope you enjoyed yourself. Bye till the next one. It's gonna do it. It's gonna make you happy, guys. Subscribe, guys. Get us to 1,000 subscribers. You get. So bye.
Bye.